Okay, now that we've covered the basics of simple and compound interest, I want to take you through one more concept that we haven't covered yet, but I think it's kind of a neat one. It's called the rule of 72 when you're dealing with compound interest. And what this does is it gives you a simple way to kind of show off the power and the magic that is compound interest. Okay, so with the rule of 72, what that states is this. You take the number 72, you divide by the interest rate. So if it's 10%, you take 72 divided by 10. And what that will give you then is you'll be able to find the amount of time that it takes for your investment to double in value. So if you invest $1,000, how long it will take to get $2,000. Or if you invest $10,000, how long it will take to get $20,000. Okay? So this is a very easy formula to use. So for example, if you invest $10,000 at 6%, what I want to do is figure out how long that will take to double up to $20,000. So all I have to do to find that is take 72 and divide it by 6. And so to get to $20,000, all that would be then is you put the 6 into the 7 once, and you put the 6 into the 12 twice. It would take 12 years to get to $20,000. Okay? So what I'd like you to do now at home is go ahead and try these next 3 problems. I just want you to get familiar with this. They're very easy. All you have to do, remember, is divide 72 by the percent. So I'm going to have you try how long it would take at 8%, how long it would take at 10%, and how long it would take at 12% for you to double up what you originally put in for your investment. And these are important because when you look at it, if you're investing wisely in the stock market, typically the stock market can go up anywhere from 8 to 12% in any given year. And so over the course of time, if you're lucky and you go through a good cycle in the stock market, your investments can really pay off for you. And so what I'd like you to do is go ahead and solve these 3 problems. We'll talk about them a little tomorrow in class when we go over the compound interest calculator, and you'll see how much even more powerful it can be if you're continually investing. Because the power of compounding not only comes from just investing once and leaving your money in, but it can come from investing over periods of time. And time is the key factor for compound interest, as you'll find out, with the difference between you as 16 and 17-year-olds and what you can make out of an investment compared to what me as an old man of 42 can make out of my investment. So tomorrow we'll go over these 3 problems and we'll look more at the compound interest calculator so you can really see a visual example of how powerful compound interest can be.